Welcome again to my online money tactics channel. In this video, I will show you how to create multiple revenue streams from a simple KDP interior book template. Let's for example take this inspirational journal for women and girls notebook on Amazon. It has 3,000 customer ratings, and it ranks number 3 in the Catalogs and Directories book bestsellers section. A BSR of 3 is equal to 3,586 book sales per day, so the publisher earns a nice income from this book. Let's take a look inside to see the content. This is a classic journal with lined paper, an empty date stamp and some random inspirational quotes at the top of the page. I can create an interior like this in Canva in 15 minutes or less. You can add a small floral image to the top left of the page, adjust the thickness of the lines or insert other items like a motivational quote, or something like that, to make your journal unique. Copy the page until you have enough content for a full book and download the interior as a PDF print file to your computer. Upload the interior to Amazon KDP, along with a nice book cover, and you have another product to sell. Canva is really simple to use. Check out the video tutorial on my channel to see how to make a lined journal using the free version of Canva. Now let's suppose that this is your book and you have the original lined journal interior sitting on your hard disk. Why not generate an extra income stream from this template and sell it on other places besides Amazon? Sell the printable interiors of your self-published books separately, and increase your passive income on autopilot. There are many websites where you can upload and sell downloadable files. One of the most popular websites to share your files is Gumroad. Gumroad is free to join, and you can set up your own online store in a few minutes. Creators in just about every industry use Gumroad, from digital artists, writers, musicians and other creative types to business-minded entrepreneurs and tech gurus. You get access to all the features, and no subscriptions are required. Gumroad charges a 9% fee when you make a sale, but the more sales you make, the less they charge. Payments are made through direct deposit or PayPal. If you are good at designing interiors or graphic illustrations, and you want a simple way to distribute digital content, Gumroad will give you a jump start. Another website with tons of traffic to sell your printable interiors is Etsy. Etsy is best known for selling physical products and handmade crafts, but people also visit Etsy to find all kinds of digital templates. Type in KDP interior in the search bar and you will be surprised how many items show up. If you have a set of digital interiors or book covers, you can upload and sell them to Etsy. When someone buys your interior, Etsy takes care of the payment and delivery, so you can focus on making excellent content. The next place to sell your digital files separately or in a bundle is Creative Fabrica. Creative Fabrica has tons of downloadable book interiors, templates and amazing graphics, and if you are good at designing, you can make some nice money here. Listing your digital items is free, and sales and deliveries are all handled by Creative Fabrica. You just upload your product files, write up a title and description and set your price. This website is also a fantastic place to download new fonts and stunning graphics to create journals and notebook interiors that people are looking for. Check out the daily gifts to see which files are free to download. I use Creative Fabrica to make recipe books, journals, planners, book covers, diaries, calendars and activity sheets. It's a no-brainer to create beautiful notebooks and layouts with their amazing content library. If you want to join Creative Fabrica and download unlimited files, feel free to use my special link in the description below. You will get a special discount to save money when you join as a paid member, so check it out. Amazon also has its own marketplace for people to sell educational digital items. It's called Amazon Ignite. The service is currently available in the US only, but that may change soon. Once you have an account, you can sell teaching resources like printables and digital downloads, and it's also free to join. Sellers earn a 70% royalty on all sales. And for products under $2.99 they deduct a 30-cent transaction fee per resource sold. The platform is by invitation only at this moment, so you need to apply first for an account. Use the request invitation button to send in your details, and wait a few days until Amazon gets back to you. And let's not forget about Fiverr. You can set up a gig on Fiverr to design custom templates and interiors for people who don't have the skill to do it. Or bundle and sell your digital files separately for a bigger price. You can sell products or personalized services for much more than $5. Or maximize your revenue by upselling your listing using gig extras before, during, and after an order. Fiverr is also free to join, and has a huge user base with a lot of traffic, so you will make sales fast. There is no subscription required to list your services and you keep 80% of each transaction. And it doesn't stop here. There are even more ways to make money with your design skills. Customers who buy your notebook may also be interested in creating their own journal. As an Amazon bookseller myself, I receive weekly emails from people, asking me how they can create their own notebook. It's one of the reasons why I started this YouTube channel. There's a lot of demand for good information, so why not create a paid workshop where you show people how to design KDP interiors or illustrated journals in Canva, Adobe Illustrator or any other software program. You can offer one-on-one support on Skype to help students, or create an online course by recording your PC screen while you design a journal from scratch, and then turn these screen recordings into a full video course. Teachable is a great website to share your knowledge. You can create an audio, video or email course without any technical skills, and you'll have access to everything you need to get started. You can use the free plan as long as you like, and access all the features. Teachable has more than 100,000 instructors, transforming their knowledge into world-class courses that have earned more than $500 million. A similar website to Teachable is Thinkific. This site has everything you need to easily set up, launch and scale your education business. There's a free plan to try it out, and no coding or technical experience is required to set up your own course with the user-friendly course builder. Pick a template, add your content and publish it to the rest of the world. And the last website to share your skills and knowledge is Udemy. Udemy is best known for their video courses, and the foundation of each course are its lectures, which can include videos, slides, and text. Instructors can add resources and various types of practice activities, as a way to enhance the learning experience of students. You can publish any course you wish and have full control over your content. Udemy offers plenty of resources on how to create your first course, and the instructor dashboard and curriculum pages will help keep you organized. There is no fee to become an instructor, and you are paid according to a revenue share model. Check out the frequently asked questions section for more details. Okay, this video is almost done. These are just a few ideas to make more money with your product. I'm not saying that you will become rich overnight by selling digital content online. Success will depend on how much time and work you invest in your business. But if you do it right, and deliver quality content, it can become an important source of income. I would love to know what you think about the tips I'm sharing. Feel free to drop a comment below, or share your own passive income streams with the rest of us. Thanks again for watching my video all the way to the end. If you got something from my information, please share, leave a like, or subscribe to my channel and hit the small bell icon to hear about my latest videos first. Have a wonderful day.